I died, but I rose again. Period. I be getting him bling bling. He be blinging out and it be blinding me. And I said, I want some jewelry to blind you. And he got me jewelry.
Don't worry about the time, baby, unwind. Glass of Chardonnay, prefer white wine. Freedom dress cut up to your waistline.
I woke up in Turks, bitch. Look at this water. Y'all can't even see it. Hold on, let me see. Look at those. So beautiful. Thank you, God. I woke up on my birthday and I'm in paradise. I'm in Turks. Take me where Drake goes. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today is another day in Turks. Welcome to my vlog. If you didn't watch yesterday's vlog, make sure you go back and watch it. We had a time. It was litty. I died, but I rose again. Period. I literally, like, I haven't puked in a minute, like thrown up or whatever. It was crazy. So make sure you go back and watch that vlog. My husband, D-Lou, is at the pool right now. So I'm up. I got a mimosas. Cheers. And I'm about to just get my shit together right quick. We are actually going to get into some fun things today. We're going on a yacht, bitch. Because it's not a Hawa vlog. It's not a trip if we don't go on a yacht. You feel me? I think every single trip. I think it was only one trip that we didn't get a boat, and I think it's because it was a group trip and we couldn't. We're just gonna hang out by the pool until, like, for a few hours until it's time to get ready. Let me finish getting myself together. I'm just gonna put my lashes back on because last night was so lit. I don't know what happened to my lashes. But I put this back on. But I put a little eyebrow on right quick. And then we're going to head to the pool. It was really giving what the fuck did I pack? Because the swimsuit I packed was like, that I just had on, had stains on it and everything. Anyways, I'm just going to wear this. Is this beaded, you see this? Beaded swimsuit bottom. My Fendi top and this cover up, and then I'm just gonna take my bag. I don't know what's going on with my camera. It's acting super weird. All right, let's go to the pool. You wanna go get your thing or no? I clicked up. I'm fine.
Man, Turk, she said, of course.
At least you know us.
Oh, man. You don't even ask about her.
Happy birthday to my little big dog.
You see the picture I post?
Yes. So annoying. Girl. I mean, boy. You so annoying. Why would you post it? Why would you post it? No. Hey, y'all. Happy birthday to the I changed my fit. We're struggling out here though. Like, it's a hangover. It's hangovering.
Come on, man.
Real bad. How should I do my hat? Like this? The cards here.
Oh, yeah. No, that's over.
Oh, my bad.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
We're going to like Blue Haven Marina.
Hi.
The telephone.
So freaking beautiful.
Sean, right?
Yes. Keep right here. Oh, look at this water. It's so cool.
I apologize. They wouldn't be swiping you guys credit card. All stick in a card. All right.
Let me do it.
Hey! Yeah, vote for the guys, man. What's going on?
I see. It's a lot of food.
Hey, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Hey. Tap it. Go tap.
I've been sick again. Want you. I've been
Hands up, that mama throw a beach. Say you want
Hey, this is fucking.
I'm saying this, can I compete?
I've been drinking. I get filthy when the liquor get into me. I've been thinking. Why can't I keep my fingers off it, baby? I want you. Nah. Why can't I keep my fingers off you, baby? I want you. Nah.
Take me with Draco. Take me with Draco.
Guys on us.
The world ground rise, present at the street, from highs, the elevator, then I'm going treat. Girl, I got it, that's like, I can show you big things in that.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. This for you, my brother.
Yeah.
Hey.
And big booty, get out the way. Y'all gotta come to Noah's Ark.
You want a shot right there? That girl.
No.
That's it, like.
Y'all gotta come to Noah's Ark. Not because it's lit, because it's the funniest. It's the best. It's the best of my days that people watch. I swear to God. Yo, that's funny, especially when they drunk. There's one girl in the sale. There's one dude. He was looking for his wife, and he went in the water, and he was swimming, but the shit is like waist deep. It's like this deep, and he was like.
I'm not doing that. Hey, bro. Hey, bro.
He's looking for his wife, yo. He cannot find her. No, that's sad. I hope he found her. He gonna say, "Oh, she getting."
No, she probably.
Why would you say that?
She probably went back. She was not like him.
He was looking at. What if he's looking for me?
Nah.
You'll be like, your first
I wouldn't be
instinct
like
would-
that.
Your first instinct would be like, "Oh, my wife probably getting."
No. That's like 15, 30 minutes. If you can't find your wife in 30 minutes and y'all both came to Noah's Ark, I give you a hint. That's all I'm saying. No, you gotta know the environment too, though, right?
No, I want to see how she looks. Oh, that's her. No, that's not her. No, he about to go on the slide. He about to go on the slide. Where's his wife?
Oh no.
Yo, he lost his wife.
Did you just get here, or have you been here a few days?
We got here yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah. We just came back from a boat ride.
Oh, nice.
It was fun.
When do you leave? How long are you here for?
Until Monday.
Oh, good. Yeah, we got here Tuesday and we're leaving Sunday, so like day before you.
Yeah, that makes sense. Like 4 nights.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are y'all here for like an event? Like
we just came by ourselves.
Just cause?
Yeah.
Just. I know that's right.
We needed a winter break.
I know that's where you live. Where y'all live? New Jersey. Oh yeah, and it's cold. We're in DC.
Okay, it's cold there though. You don't get the snow, but you get.
We got snow.
Oh,
it was snowing when we left.
Oh.
I mean, the 2 days before we left, it was snowing. Oh! He got me some fucking. He got me jewelry. Fucking bling. Yo, I got a tennis necklace. A tennis bracelet. With a heart. Oh my God. Oh my God. A tennis bracelet in gold, and rose gold, and white gold. Are you kidding me? And earrings. Bling blow, bling blow, bling bling. Period. Thank you. I'm so grateful. Thank you. I be getting him bling bling. He be blinging out and it be blinding me. And I said, I want some jewelry to blind you. And he got me jewelry. What's up, y'all? It's later. I just got out the shower. And what was I saying? Did I tell y'all earlier? I'm so sad because my hat, like the bucket hat that I wore today on the boat, it flew off my head in the water. And I'm very upset about that because I just got the hat. And the hat wasn't cheap. That shit flew in the water. Rest in peace to my hat. Gotta woosah and just be like, yo, it is what it is. But I'm also going to the balcony a little and just chill a little bit on the balcony. I also ordered some food because we may go to out to dinner tonight somewhere on a resort. And or maybe up in the lounge, but I'm starving. I literally didn't eat a real meal all day today. So I ordered some food. Let me show you what I got. So, that's the Sean cheesecake. I'm guessing this is the mashed potatoes. And this is, what is this? Snapper and vegetables. So, I'll let y'all know if it's good or not. But I'm about to grub because I'm starving. And I will probably catch y'all tomorrow in the next vlog. So, again, if you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed so that you can see day 3 of the Turks and Caicos vlog trip. Peace.